Good morning. Are you okay?
Yes, I am late. Is the bus here?
No, the bus is not here yet.
Oh, good.
You ran all the way here.
Yes, I woke up late.
Where are you going today?
Borough Market. Do you know it?
Of course, it is very famous.
Is it far?
No, about 30 minutes by bus.
What can I buy there?
Everything. Cheese, bread, fruit, hot food.
I love food.
Then you will love this market.
I am so excited.
Have you been before?
No, it is my first time.
You will love it. Go early. It gets very busy.
Thank you. That is helpful.
Hi, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Nice day today.
Yes, very sunny.
Where are you going?
Borough Market. I am going for the first time.
Oh, you will enjoy it. Very good food there.
I know. My neighbor told me. She said it is famous.
Very famous. Do you live near here?
Yes, just 2 streets away.
Nice area.
I like it. Yesterday, I went to Brighton.
Brighton. Lovely. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, but in the morning, I almost lost the bus.
Oh no, that is not good.
No, I had to run. It was very funny.
Well, you made it. That is what matters.
Yes. Today, I woke up late also. I almost lost the bus again.
Be careful next time.
I will. Thank you. Oh, is that the Thames?
Yes, that is the Thames.
It is so wide.
Yes, it is a very big river.
Hey, welcome to Borough Market.
Thank you. This looks amazing.
First time here?
Yes, my first time.
You are going to love it.
How old is this market?
About 1,000 years old.
1,000 years? Really?
Yes, a very long time.
And people buy food here every week?
Every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, yes.
That is amazing. The same place for 1,000 years?
Exactly.
How many stalls are there?
More than 100.
100 stalls. I need all day.
Maybe 2 days.
Thank you. I will go in now.
Enjoy and try the bread. It is very good.
Hello. Want to try some?
Yes, please. This is wonderful. What bread is this?
Sourdough bread. It is very popular.
Sourdough. I have heard this word. What makes it special?
It uses no yeast, just flour, water, and salt, but it takes 3 days to make.
3 days for one bread?
Yes, that is why it has that special taste.
It is very special. I can taste it. How much is it?
Small loaf, 4 pounds. Big loaf, 7 pounds.
I will take the small one, please.
Good choice. Fresh this morning.
Thank you. This is my first time here.
Really? Welcome. Try everything. It is all good.
I will try. Thank you.
Welcome and enjoy.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I don't know much about cheese.
That is okay. Try some. What do you like? Mild or strong?
I am not sure. Can I try?
Of course. Try this first. It is mild.
That is nice. It is smooth.
Good. Now try this one. It is strong.
Oh, that is very strong.
Yes, that is aged cheddar. Very old, very strong.
How old is it?
12 months. The older the cheese, the stronger the taste.
I did not know that. Like wine?
Yes, exactly like wine.
I like the strong one. It is surprising, but I like it.
Good taste. How much would you like?
A small piece, please. How much is it?
6 pounds for 200 grams.
Okay, I will take it.
Are you visiting London?
No, I live here, but I came by bus today. Yesterday, I almost lost the bus.
Enjoy the market.
Hello. What would you like?
Hi, one pad thai, please.
Spicy, mild, or medium?
Mild, please. Easy on the chili.
Good phrase. Okay. Easy on the chili.
I learned that phrase in Brighton.
Very useful phrase.
Yes, too much vinegar on my chips. I know now.
Good lesson. How do you like London?
I love it. Every day I learn something new.
Good. Did you come far today?
No, just by bus. But this morning I almost lost the bus.
I'm sorry? You almost lost the bus?
Yes, I woke up late. I ran.
I think you mean you almost missed the bus.
Missed?
Yes. In English, we say miss a bus, not lose a bus.
What is the difference?
Miss means you did not catch it. Lose means you cannot find it.
Like you lose your keys?
Exactly. You lose your keys, you miss your bus.
I almost missed the bus.
Yes, perfect.
Oh, I said it wrong 2 times today already.
That is okay. Now you know.
Thank you for telling me. I will remember this.
You're welcome. Here is your pad thai.
Excuse me? That is my bag. That is mine. I had it first.
Oh, I am so sorry. I did not know.
I put it down for 1 second.
I understand. I did not see you. I am very sorry.
Sorry, I was rude. It is just very busy today.
No, it was my mistake. I should look more carefully.
It is fine. The market is always like this on Saturday.
I am glad you said something. Honest. Enjoy the market. Always look, always check. Thank you. What is this bridge? It looks special.
That is the Millennium Bridge.
Millennium. What does that word mean?
1,000 years. They built it for the year 2000.
The year 2000. So it is not very old.
No, only 25 years old, but it is famous.
Why is it famous?
When it opened, it wobbled. Too many people at once.
Wobbled? Like this?
Yes, exactly like that.
People were on the bridge and it wobbled?
Yes, about 80,000 people crossed it on the first day.
80,000. That is a lot.
It is. The bridge moved too much, so they closed it.
Were people scared?
A little, but nobody fell. They closed it and fixed it.
And now it is safe.
Yes, completely safe now. Go and cross it. Nice view from the middle.
Okay, I will go. Thank you.
Enjoy, and don't wobble.
I will try.
I am walking over the River Thames. Ha! What is that big white building? That is St. Paul's Cathedral. Oh, it is beautiful. Is it very old? Very old. They started building it in 1675. 1675? That is more than 300 years ago. Yes. Are you going to the Tate Modern? What is that? The big red building in front of you. It is a free art museum. Free? Really? Yes, and it is amazing inside. Go and look. I will. Thank you.
This was a power station? Excuse me, how much is the ticket?
The main gallery is free.
Free? You are sure?
Yes, completely free.
In my country, museums cost money.
Here too, sometimes, but not this one.
That is very kind. London is a kind city.
Thank you. Enjoy your visit.
My pleasure. I will enjoy this visit. Where is the exit? How big is this building? Excuse me, I am very sorry. I am lost.
Don't worry. This happens all the time. Where do you want to go?
The exit. I want to go outside.
You are on level 3. Go down 2 floors, then follow the yellow signs.
Yellow signs. Okay.
Do you want me to show you?
No, you are busy. Just go down 2 floors and follow yellow.
That is right. You will see the turbine hall. Then the exit is on the left.
Thank you. I feel silly.
Please don't. It is a very confusing building.
Really?
Well, sometimes.
Okay.
Hi there. What can I get you?
Hello, I want a coffee with milk, not too big, and no sugar.
A flat white?
I don't know that name. What is a flat white?
It is espresso with steamed milk. Small. No foam on top.
That is exactly what I want.
1 flat white.
Is it strong?
Yes. 2 shots of espresso.
Good. I need it. I walked a lot today.
The market?
Yes, and the bridge, and the museum.
Big day. What is your name?
Lily.
Okay, Lily. Ready in 2 minutes.
Perfect. That is very good.
Are you okay? You look worried.
I think I missed my stop.
Oh no. Where do you live?
Near Kennington Park. I need to go back.
Get off at the next stop. The number 36 goes back.
The number 36. Okay.
Are you okay? Your bag looks very heavy.
Yes, I went to Borough Market.
Oh, what did you buy?
Bread, cheese, strawberries.
Nice. Worth it.
Yes, very worth it.
Lily went to the market. She bought bread. She bought cheese. She bought strawberries. She walked over the Thames. She got lost in a museum. She missed her stop. She said the wrong word 2 times. Then she heard the correction. Then she said the right word. Missed, not lost. 1 word, 1 day, 1 lesson. The pebble is on the table. Tomorrow she goes somewhere new. Subscribe to this channel to see her next journey and learn English real way.